came in the mail.
Andy, how long have you wanted to blow glass?
A long time. Probably since high school. I learned it was a thing.
We're on a journey of sharing our first with you. This will be first number 3, blowing glass. This place is absolutely amazing. Hollywood Hot Glass. Andy's gonna start his lesson.
So first I had to pick out what I wanted to make. Next I had to figure out what colors I was going to use.
You can see here that the door is open to the park. Anyone can stop by and watch people blow glass, which would be a really cool experience, even if you're not going to do it yourselves. There's some stadium seating. They welcome people in. There's some fresh air blowing through. Super cool experience for anyone.
So at this point, we have heated up the glass, and we are going to kind of pull this glass out so it creates kind of like a marble look to it.
Stop. Pause. No cheating. Let's hear in the comments. What do you think it's gonna be?
In this shot, you'll see we're starting to mold the shape of the glass. And next, we're blowing some air into the shape to kind of expand it. And in these shots, you can see that we're starting to flatten the bottom of the glass. So next up, we're actually opening the middle part a little bit wider so we can get the better shape for it. All right, we're all pretty much done. Can you guess what it is?
They had all of these one-of-a-kind pieces of art that you could buy for $20 each. We picked up one for our host. Best location ever. Hollywood Hot Glass was actually in the middle of this sweet park.
Just got this in the mail. We decided to ship it, ship the glass that I made. Instead of bringing it with us on the airplane, I My bag was already pretty full. And I guess I never really thought through that. But it looks like it's intact. We'll see.
Ooh, I can't wait to see it.
Ooh. Check it out.
Oh, it's darker than I thought it would be.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's heavy.
You did so good.
Look at that.
Oh, that is the coolest ever.
It's kind of like an onyx glass. It has like a ridge here. Look at the inside.
Hey, baby. You did it first.
First. Very cool. A little bit of a bubble.
If you haven't guessed, this is called a tumbler or a glass to drink out of, but I might use it as a vase as well.
Glass blowing first.